Welcome back!
Welcome to Daily Talk English.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy. Today we will learn English with a story.
A simple story, a slow story, an easy story.
And you can listen, relax, and learn.
You can listen while cooking, while walking, or just resting.
That's right.
Today's story is called A New Day, a New Friend.
Sounds interesting.
Yes, a little story about a new place and a new friend.
But first,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us.
And it helps your English too. Okay, let's start.
Let's go.
It is morning. A fresh, quiet morning.
The sun is coming up,
The sky is soft and light.
and a young man is waking up.
His name is Daniel.
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 Daniel is new in the city,
He just moved yesterday.
so everything is new.
New house, new street, new life.
That can feel scary.
Yes, a little scary. And a little exciting.
Okay, listener, let's practice. Repeat after me. Both, slowly. I am new here.
Again, slower. I am new here.
Good job.
Daniel opens his eyes.
He looks around.
He says,
This place is new.
yes, very new.
He sits up on his bed.
He stretches his arms,
He feels a little nervous.
but also a little happy. Listener, how do you feel in a new place?
Do you feel nervous?
Or excited?
Maybe both.
That's okay.
Daniel goes to the kitchen.
The kitchen is small, but clean.
He opens the fridge.
What does he see?
Milk.
Eggs.
Bread.
Very simple food.
He says,
I will make breakfast. Good choice. Repeat after us. I will make breakfast.
I will make breakfast.
Sometimes bread and eggs.
Simple and nice.
Yes, I am a simple man.
Same here.
Daniel cooks 2 eggs.
He toasts the bread.
He pours some milk.
Then he sits down.
He eats slowly.
And he thinks.
Today, I will explore the city.
Oh, big plan.
Repeat. I will explore the city.
I will explore the city.
Daniel leaves the house.
The air is fresh.
People are walking.
Cars are moving.
The city is alive.
But Daniel feels shy.
He does not know anyone. Repeat. I feel shy.
I feel shy.
Alex, are you shy?
Sometimes.
Really? You talk a lot.
Hey, only here.
Daniel walks slowly.
He looks left.
He looks right.
He sees a small cafe.
Oh, nice.
He stops.
He looks at the door.
He thinks.
Should I go in?
Listener, what do you think?
Should he go in?
Yes or no?
Daniel opens the door.
The cafe is warm.
It smells like coffee.
And fresh bread.
A woman is behind the counter.
She smiles.
She says,
Hello.
Daniel is a little nervous.
But he smiles back.
Repeat. Hello.
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 The woman says.
How are you?
Daniel pauses.
He thinks.
Then he answers.
I am good, thank you.
Good job, Daniel.
Repeat. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
Again. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
The woman says, Are you new here?
Daniel smiles.
He says,
Yes, I am new here.
Ah, first connection. Repeat slowly. I am new here.
I am new here.
The woman says, "My name is Emma."
Daniel says.
"My name is Daniel."
They both smile.
Wow, a new friend already.
That was fast.
Sometimes it is easy. Repeat one more time. I am new here.
I am new here.
I will explore the city.
I will explore the city.
How are you?
How are you?
I am good, thank you.
I am good, thank you.
Now let's continue. Daniel is standing in the cafe.
Emma is smiling.
She asks,
What would you like?
Good question. Repeat. What would you like?
What would you like?
Daniel looks at the menu.
He reads slowly.
Coffee, tea, bread, cake.
So many choices.
Too many choices sometimes. Listener, what do you like?
Coffee or tea?
I like tea.
I like coffee.
Daniel says, I would like coffee, please.
Very polite.
Repeat. I would like coffee, please.
I would like coffee, please.
Daniel nods.
He says.
Sure. Then she asks, small or large?
Small or large?
Daniel thinks.
Small or large?
He smiles and says,
Small, please.
good choice.
Emma starts making the coffee.
Daniel waits.
He looks around.
The cafe is calm,
Soft music is playing.
nice and relaxing. Alex, do you like quiet places?
Yes, very much.
Me too. No noise, just peace.
Emma brings the coffee.
She says, here you go. Here you go.
Here you go. Daniel smiles.
He says,
Thank you.
Emma says, you're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome. There is a small silence.
Daniel feels shy again,
He wants to talk.
but he is not sure. I want to speak.
I want to speak. Daniel takes a deep breath.
He asks,
Do you work here?
good question.
Do you work here?
Do you work here?
Emma smiles.
Yes, I work here.
She points around.
I work here every day. I work here.
I work here. I work here every day.
Now, the conversation starts.
Slow, simple, friendly.
Emma asks, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Daniel answers. I am from Spain.
Nice.
I am from... Now you say your country.
Say it out loud.
I am from...
Emma says, oh, that's nice.
She smiles warmly.
I like Emma.
Yes, she is very friendly.
Emma asks, do you like this city?
Daniel pauses.
He thinks.
Then he says, Yes, I like it.
Simple and honest. I like it.
I like it. Daniel feels better now.
He is not so shy.
He is talking.
He is smiling.
Listener, this is important.
Speak, even if it is simple.
Simple English is okay.
Mistakes are okay.
It is okay.
It is okay.
Daniel asks another question.
He asks, what is your name again? Oh no, he forgot. What is your name again?
Emma laughs softly.
My name is Emma.
Daniel smiles.
Sorry.
Sorry. It happens.
Yes, we forget names sometimes.
Daniel finishes his coffee.
He feels happy.
He stands up.
He says, I have to go.
I have to go.
I have to go.
Emma nods.
Okay, see ya.
Daniel smiles. See you.
See you.
Let's review.
Repeat after us.
What would you like?
I would like coffee, please.
Where are you from?
I am from.
I like it.
I have to go.
See you. It is the next day.
Morning again.
The sun is bright.
Daniel wakes up.
He smiles
Why?
because he has a plan.
Repeat.
I have a plan. I have a plan.
Daniel says.
I will go to the cafe again.
Aw, someone is excited. Repeat.
I will go again.
Daniel walks to the cafe. Step by step.
He is not shy now.
He feels ready. Practice.
I feel ready. He opens the door.
The same warm place.
The same smell of coffee.
And?
Emma is there.
Oh, hello again.
Hello, Emma.
Practice.
Hello again.
Emma says. Nice to see you.
Daniel replies. Nice to see you too.
Practice.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. This time, the conversation is easier.
Daniel is more relaxed. Emma asks, Do you want coffee again?
Daniel laughs softly. Yes, I want coffee again.
Repeat.
I want coffee again.
Emma prepares the coffee.
Daniel sits down.
But this time,
He does not sit alone.
Emma sits with him. Oh, this is nice.
Yes, very friendly.
Emma asks, Why did you move here? Practice. Why did you move here?
Daniel thinks.
Then he says,
I moved here for work.
Practice.
I moved here for work.
Emma nods. That's great. Then she asks, Do you like your job? Practice. Do you like your job?
Daniel smiles. Yes, I like my job.
Repeat.
Yes, I like my job.
The conversation continues.
Slow, simple, real.
Emma says, You can come here anytime.
Daniel looks happy. Thank you.
Practice.
You can come anytime.
Emma says, We can talk more.
Daniel nods.
Practice.
We can talk more.
Now Daniel has a friend.
Yes, from hello to friendship. Emma smiles.
She says, Do you want to walk later?
Oh, an invitation.
Repeat.
Do you want to walk later?
Daniel is surprised.
But happy. He says, Yes, I would like that.
Repeat.
I would like that.
Emma smiles. Great. See you later.
It is evening.
The sky is orange and pink.
Daniel waits outside.
Emma arrives. Hi.
Hi.
Practice.
Hi. They walk together.
Slow steps.
Easy conversation.
They talk about simple things.
The city is beautiful.
Yes, it is beautiful. Repeat.
It is beautiful. Daniel looks around.
He smiles.
He says, I feel happy.
Practice.
I feel happy.
Listener, this is important.
Daniel used simple English,
Very simple words.
but he spoke.
And now,
He has a friend.
you can do this too.
Speak slowly.
Use simple words.
Do not be afraid.
Practice.
I can speak English. I am not afraid. I can make friends.
Let's review one last time.
I am new here. What would you like? I would like coffee. Where are you from? I like it. Nice to see you. I feel happy. Now tell us in the comments.
Can you introduce yourself in English?
Right?
My name is. I am from. I feel.
Thank you for learning with us.
You did a great job today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Keep practicing English every day.